Welcome to my channel again. It's been a while that I produced a video like this. You're welcome back after a long break from producing this kind of video. In this tutorial, we want to talk about the introduction to statistics. First and foremost, we need to define what statistics is all about, and I want to discuss about the types of statistics. Firstly, what is statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data to make an informed decision. The basis of statistics is to collect data, that is data collection. Then you now organize the raw data into a spreadsheet, then followed by analysis. The output of this analysis will be interpreted and presentation is going to be made in order to make an informed decision. These statistics divided into two types. That is, we have descriptive statistics. Under we have frequency distribution. We determine the proportion, average or mean, standard deviation. These are the descriptive statistics. And these descriptive statistics describe how the data is, if you want to exploit the data. Then the inferential statistics, which is the second part of the statistics. We have under these inferential statistics, we have hypothesis testing, in which you are going to make a sample, you are going to derive decision about population from the sample. And also we have confidence interval. We want to use this confidence interval to determine the range of an event that occurred in a certain data collection. Then z-test, t-test, and all these z-test and t-test, they are for test statistics, under which we use them to reject or either accept the null hypothesis. Then lastly, we have ANOVA, analysis of variance. This one is testing the equality in the variance. In my comprehensive tutorial, all this hypothesis testing and the descriptive statistics will be detailed explained. Check this link below to go for my comprehensive tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye.